Hello YouTube, long time no see. Sorry I haven't been on in a while. We've had some problems with the computer. I had to completely wipe out everything on it and redo the whole computer again. We got a nasty virus on it, and it decided to delete everything and shut everything down, including our antivirus, which was supposed to be working at our 3 antiviruses. So, but I'll be making some videos starting today. I gotta respond to something that Final Call 07 made, but I just wanted to say hi, God bless, missed you guys, and I'm back, and my lovely wife is right here. She's watching. See her arm? It's right there. That's her arm. Her arm's right there. So, there, you saw her move. She told me not to say hi to her because she's not going to say anything, so, but I told her I would say hi anyways. So, anyways, God bless, and there she is. And gonna be making some videos, and I'm alive, just to let you know that I'm alive. There she goes, she's waving. There you go. See, now was that so hard?